How to start a successful YouTube channel. A beginner's guide. In the beginning, the job of being a YouTuber may seem a bit tedious. But if you play your cards right, you can be the next top YouTuber in your niche. Follow this comprehensive guide to discover all the secrets to how to start a successful YouTube channel. Step 1. Find a theme for your channel. Zero in on your niche so that it allows you to play to your strengths in terms of creating content. You can easily find your target segment and focus on them, and in turn your viewers will also know what to expect from your channel. Step 2. Brush up your basics. Choose a profile name that stands relevant to your channel theme. Create a channel tagline which acts like a phrase that summarizes the purpose of your channel. The channel art is like a cover picture for your channel, which is a great opportunity for you to introduce your channel. Create a channel icon which acts like a thumbnail for your YouTube channel or your profile picture. Share in the About section why you created this channel, what to expect from your channel, address your target audience, rebrand your channel, promote your website, and share your other social media profiles. Step 3. Script, plan and rehearse your videos. Plan and jot down your script with the sequence of events in a natural order. Work on to improve your camera presence. Rehearse your script to avoid digressing from your topic of conversation. Step 4. Optimizing the video title, tags and meta description. You make your videos more discoverable by optimizing, which leads to better ranking of your channel in the search engine of YouTube. Find the right keywords using YouTube search suggestion feature, Google AdWords Keyword Planner and Google Trends. Your video title should short, crisp and highly engaging. It should contain your main keyword, preferably in the first half of the title. Your video tags are a great way to tell the YouTube algorithm what your video is about. Use long tail keywords and their variants as tags. Use a few relevant keywords in your video description. Step 5. Creating custom thumbnail. Major source of organic traffic on YouTube is received through the suggested videos. Hence, your thumbnail needs to stand out among the rest of the videos in the suggested videos window. An ideal thumbnail is the one that aligns with the video title and content, and thus, increases your CTR, which reflects well with the YouTube algorithm. YouTube recommends that your thumbnail should be 1280 x 720 pixels and in JPG, GIF or PNG format within 2 MB. Step 6. Create longer videos and publish them regularly. YouTube algorithm promotes the videos which generate more watch time over the videos that generate less watch time. If you publish regularly, you create a library of content that will compel your viewers to subscribe to your channel. It also reflects well with the YouTube algorithm. Once you create a library of content, you can refine them by putting the videos that go together in a playlist. Step 7. Build a community by interacting with your audience. Reply to as many comments as possible, heart your favorite comments, ask for your audience's opinion, and create what they wish to watch. Step 8. Improve by analyzing. Use the metrics provided by the YouTube analytics to find your best performing videos and identify what is common in them. Swear by these practices as they work in your favor. This is all what you need to start a YouTube channel. Feel free to share.